Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to optimize Windows 11 for gaming. First, open the Settings app and go to Gaming. Select Game Mode and make sure it is turned on. This tells Windows to focus system resources on your game. Next, still in Gaming, open Graphics Settings. For the games you play most, set them to high performance. This ensures they use your dedicated graphics card. Now let's reduce background apps. In Settings, go to Apps, then Startup. Disable any apps you do not need when your computer starts. This frees up memory for games. Another useful step is to turn off visual clutter. Open System, then About, and click Advanced System Settings. Under Performance, choose Adjust for Best Performance. This makes Windows lighter by removing animations. If you are using an SSD, make sure Storage Optimization is on. Open Windows Search, type defragment and optimize drives and run Optimize for your SSD. These small changes can add up to smoother gameplay and faster response times. Thanks for watching.